Hi guys, so here we are for another writing lesson. So we're going to go back to our same page again, our first, next, and last. Yesterday we wrote about what happened first. Today we're going to focus on what happened next. So in my story, my next part in the middle was that I made my pancakes. So I already mixed it and I made my pancakes. Now, I just need to say one more thing. And I tell you this at school, I'm not a great artist, but I do my best. I try my hardest. So please, no laughing at my pictures, because I'm doing my best, and that's what I'm asking you to do your best. So here are my pancakes. So I'm looking at my next day, and today is Wednesday, right? Okay. Do your days get as mixed up as mine do? It's kind of crazy here. Okay, so I have now drawn another picture of my next, what happened in the middle of my story. So there's my stove, there's my lovely pan, I cooked my pancakes on it, and then now they're on my plate. Remember I told you some details. I had two kind of medium-sized pancakes and then one little baby pancake. So that's all I'm writing about today. So on your paper, you will see that it already has the word next. Before I even say anything else, I want you to notice what is something good that I did on my paper. Okay, maybe you said I put a capital letter. Maybe you said I put finger spaces, or maybe punctuation, period at the end. Those are all three things that I want you to look for in yours. So I wrote, next, I cooked my pancakes, period. So again, the same thing that I told you yesterday and that we talk about all the time at school is just make sure that you're trying your best. If you're having a hard time, you can ask mom and dad for help, but this is your work. Your spelling does not have to be perfect. It's not supposed to be. Just try your best. Okay, now, some of these are sight words. You better not misspell that word. That one better not be wrong. This is a sight word. We should be able to spell my. Yes, it sounds like it has an I, but we've talked about that. That Y can make the sound of an I, or sometimes an E. But right now, that is how my is spelled. So those are the things I want you to focus on. Let's write a good sentence, and we'll finish our story up tomorrow and look forward to Friday because we're going to have a fun way to show our finished stories. All right, see you later.